Hey, you. Yes, you, the person watching this right now. Can I ask you something? When was the last time you tried to say something in English and the words just didn't come? Like you knew what you wanted to say, but your mouth just stopped.
Oh, that feeling. I think every English learner in the world knows that feeling.
Right? And it's so frustrating because it's not that you don't know English. You've studied, you've watched videos, you've done the exercises, but when it's time to actually speak, silence.
And you know what the secret is? The reason that happens?
Tell them, David.
It's because most people practice English about their life, but they never practice English for their life, for the actual moments that happen every single day.
That's exactly what today's video is about. We are going to walk through your entire day from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep and give you the real, natural English sentences that people actually say in real life.
Not textbook English, not formal English, real, spoken, everyday English.
And by the end of this video, you're going to feel so much more confident, I promise.
Welcome back, everyone, to Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life. I'm David.
And I'm Anna. Let's get into it. Okay, David, set the scene for us. It's morning, the alarm goes off. What happens?
The alarm goes off and I hit snooze. Every time, I always hit snooze.
Yes. And what do you say? Like, what do you actually say or think in that moment?
Honestly, I say just 5 more minutes. Every single morning. Just 5 more minutes.
That is such a universal feeling. And learners, that phrase, just 5 more minutes, that's a real expression people use all the time. You can also say, give me a minute, or I'll be right there if someone is waiting for you.
So let's slow that down. Repeat after us. Just 5 more minutes. Say it like you mean it, like your alarm just went off.
Good. Now, what about getting ready? David, walk me through your morning.
Okay, so I get up, I go to the bathroom, I wash my face, I brush my teeth, pretty normal. Then I go to the kitchen, and the first thing I do before anything else is make coffee.
Because without coffee,
Without coffee, I am not a functioning human being. And here's a phrase I love for mornings. I can't function without my coffee. You hear this a lot.
oh, absolutely. Or, I'm not a morning person. That's another big one. If you say, I'm not a morning person, it means mornings are difficult for you. You don't feel energetic or happy in the morning.
Are you a morning person, Anna?
Yes, I actually am. I wake up and I feel ready to go.
That's a little strange, honestly.
Okay, so ready to go, that means you're prepared, you have energy, you're excited to start. I feel ready to go. You can use this in a lot of situations, not just mornings.
Let's do a quick role play. Imagine you and your roommate or partner are getting ready in the morning. I'll be the roommate.
Perfect. Go.
Hey, are you almost ready? We're going to be late.
Almost. Just give me 5 more minutes. I'm getting dressed.
We really need to leave by 8. Did you eat breakfast?
Not yet. I'll just grab something on the way.
Okay, but hurry up.
Did you catch that? Are you almost ready? That's asking if someone is nearly finished. I'll just grab something. Grab here means to take or get something quickly. And hurry up means go faster, move faster.
These are sentences you might say or hear literally every morning. So practice them. Say them out loud with us.
Say, are you almost ready? I'll grab something on the way. Hurry up, we're going to be late.
Great. You're already more prepared for your mornings in English. Let's keep going.
Okay, next, getting to where you need to go. This is a big one because so many things can happen on the way to work or school.
The bus is late, the train is packed, there's traffic everywhere.
Traffic. Oh, traffic conversations in English. These are so common. If someone asks you, how was your commute? Your commute is the trip you make from home to work or school. You might say,
It was terrible. There was so much traffic. Or the train was delayed. Delayed means it came late. It didn't come on time.
or if it was a good day, it was pretty smooth, actually. Smooth here means easy, no problems, no stress.
I love that word in this context. Smooth. A smooth commute. It sounds so satisfying.
It really does. Okay, now you arrive at work or school. What do you say to people?
Well, this depends. If it's a colleague, a person you work with, you might say, morning, just morning, short for good morning. Very casual, very normal.
Or, hey, how's it going? And here's the thing that confuses so many learners. When someone says, how's it going? Or how are you doing? They often don't expect a long answer.
Right, it's more like a greeting than a real question. You say, good, thanks. You? And that's it. That exchange takes about 3 seconds.
But, and this is important, if someone stops, looks at you, and says, how are you doing? More slowly and seriously, then they actually want to know. Context matters a lot.
Let's practice 2 different versions of that greeting. First, the quick, casual version.
Morning, David.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. Busy day ahead. You?
Same. Talk later.
See? Fast. Natural. No one stopped for a big conversation. Now, the second version, someone who actually wants to check in.
Hey, Anna. How are you doing? You seemed a bit stressed yesterday.
Yeah, honestly, it was a tough day, but I'm feeling better today. Thanks for asking.
Glad to hear it. Let me know if you need anything, okay?
That's so kind. Thank you.
The difference, body language, speed, and tone. And the response was longer and more honest because it was a real check-in. Does that make sense?
Great distinction. Now, let's talk about something learners often ask us about. What to say when you're late.
Oh, this one is really practical.
If you arrive late and someone notices, here are a few things you can say. Sorry, I'm late. Simple and direct. Or, my apologies, the traffic was terrible. Slightly more formal, better for work. Or if it's a friend, sorry, the bus took forever.
And took forever doesn't mean it literally took forever. It's an expression meaning it took a very long time.
English loves these exaggerations. I've told you a million times. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Don't take them literally. They just add emotion and feeling to what you're saying. All right, we're in the middle of the day now. You're at work, you're in class, you're at the supermarket. Wherever you are, there are conversations happening. David, what kind of situations do you want to cover here?
Let's do 3 situations. Work conversations, asking for help, and small talk.
Love it. Work first.
At work, some of the most common things you need to say are asking for clarification, giving updates, and talking about what you're working on. Let's take asking for clarification. If someone explains something and you don't understand, you don't just smile and nod, okay?
Don't just smile and nod.
You say something like, sorry, could you say that again? Or, I'm not sure I follow. Can you explain that a bit more? I don't follow means I don't understand.
Or even simpler, wait, what do you mean by that? Very direct, very natural.
And nobody thinks you're rude for asking. Asking for clarification is a sign of intelligence, not weakness.
So true. Now, giving updates. If your boss or teacher asks how something is going, you might say, I'm working on it. That means you haven't finished, but you're still doing it. Or it's almost done. I just need to finish the last part.
Or if something went wrong, you could say, I ran into a problem, but I'm sorting it out. Sort it out means to fix or solve a problem.
Great phrase, sorting it out. Write that one down.
Okay, let's change locations. You're at the supermarket and you can't find something. What do you do?
You ask someone who works there, and this is something a lot of learners feel nervous about, but it's actually very simple.
Let me be the store worker. Go ahead, Anna.
Hi, excuse me, I'm looking for the pasta. Do you know where I can find it?
Of course. It's in aisle 5 on the left side.
Oh, great. And is the fresh bread near there too?
The bread is actually at the back of the store next to the dairy section.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
A few things to notice there. Excuse me, always a polite way to get someone's attention. I'm looking for. Better than where is. It sounds a bit softer and more natural. And at the end, thank you so much. Always finish interactions politely.
Also, no problem is one of the most common responses to thank you in spoken English, along with of course, sure thing, and don't mention it.
Oh, don't mention it is so elegant. It means the thing you're thanking me for is so small, there's no need to mention it.
Now, small talk. We cannot do a video about daily English without talking about small talk. This is the light, easy conversation people have in everyday situations, waiting in line, in the elevator, with neighbors, with coworkers.
And for many learners, small talk is actually the hardest, not because the language is difficult, but because it feels a little pointless.
Exactly. Like, why are we talking about the weather? We both can see the weather.
But here's the thing. Small talk isn't really about the content. It's about making a social connection. It's about saying, I see you. You exist. I'm friendly.
That's such a good way to put it. So what are some good small talk topics?
The weather, always. Can you believe how hot it is today? Can you believe is a great phrase, by the way. It expresses surprise. Plans for the weekend? Any plans for the weekend? Super easy opener. Or something about where you are. Have you been waiting long? If you're both in a queue.
And then the secret to good small talk is to ask a follow-up question. Don't just answer and stop. Ask something back. Keep the ball in the air.
Keep the ball in the air. Another great expression. Imagine you're playing a game and you need to keep the ball moving. In conversation, the ball is the topic. Don't let it drop. Okay, we are in the home stretch now. It's evening, you're back home, you've had a long day. What do people say and do in the evenings?
First, if you live with family, a partner, or roommates, someone usually asks, "How was your day?"
And this is such an important conversation. It seems simple, but a lot of learners give a one-word answer. Fine, and then nothing.
How was your day? Fine. Okay then.
No, no one likes that conversation. Let's make it better. Instead of fine, try, it was pretty good, actually. I had an interesting meeting. Or, honestly, it was kind of exhausting. I'm glad to be home.
See how those answers open up the conversation? I had an interesting meeting. The other person will probably ask, "Oh, really? What happened?" And now you're having a real conversation.
And I'm glad to be home. That's such a natural expression. It expresses relief and comfort. Glad just means happy, but in a quieter, warmer way.
This is a good moment to talk about describing how you feel in everyday conversation. Because in real English, people don't just say, "I am happy" or "I am sad." It's more nuanced than that.
For example, instead of I'm happy, you might say, I'm in a good mood today, or I'm really looking forward to the weekend. Looking forward to means you're excited and happy about something in the future.
Instead of "I'm tired," you say "I'm exhausted." That's very tired. Or "I'm worn out." That means your energy is used up, like a battery that needs charging. Or "I'm running on empty." Another beautiful expression.
Running on empty. I love that one. It comes from a car that has no more fuel. If you're running on empty, you have no more energy. You just need to rest.
And instead of "I'm stressed," try "I've got a lot on my plate right now." meaning you have many responsibilities and tasks. Or it's been a bit much lately, meaning things have been overwhelming.
These phrases feel so much more natural and human than the textbook versions. And when you use them, native speakers will immediately feel like you're really connecting with them.
One last role play. It's evening. I've just come home. Anna is already home.
Hey, you're home late. Long day?
Oh, you have no idea. I'm absolutely worn out. What a day.
Oh, what happened? Come sit down.
Just back-to-back meetings all day. I didn't even have time for lunch.
No, you need to eat. Do you want me to make something or should we just order in?
Honestly, I vote for ordering in. I don't have the energy to cook tonight.
Same, honestly. I was going to cook, but I'm running on empty too. Let's just get something delivered.
Perfect. You're a lifesaver.
Okay, order in or get something delivered. These both mean to order food that comes to your house. And you're a lifesaver. Oh, this is such a lovely phrase. A lifesaver is someone who rescues you. But in everyday English, we say it when someone helps us with something and we feel really grateful.
You're a lifesaver. Use it. People love hearing it.
And finally, the end of the day, bedtime. What do people say?
Very simple. If you live with someone, I'm heading to bed. Heading means you're going there. Or, I think I'm going to call it a night.
Oh, call it a night. That means you're finished for the evening. You're done. Time to sleep. You can also say call it a day during the daytime when you're finished working.
All right, I'm going to call it a night. I'm done.
And good night phrases, sleep well, sweet dreams, or just night. Short, casual, warm.
So let's quickly run through everything we covered today.
We started with mornings, just 5 more minutes. I'm not a morning person, ready to go.
We talked about commuting. The train was delayed. My commute was pretty smooth. Sorry I'm late.
We covered the middle of the day. I'm looking for. Could you say that again? I'm sorting it out.
We practiced small talk. Can you believe this weather? Any plans for the weekend? Keep the ball in the air.
And we ended the day with evening expressions. I'm worn out, running on empty. Let's call it a night.
Here's what I want you to remember. Every single one of those expressions you can use today, tomorrow, this week. These aren't things you need to study. You need to say them.
The difference between someone who learns English and someone who speaks English is practice. Real, out loud, comfortable practice. And that starts with exactly what you did today, listening to real conversations and repeating real sentences.
So, here's your homework. And yes, we're giving you homework.
But the fun kind.
Pick 3 expressions from today's video, just 3, and use them out loud at least once tomorrow, in the morning, during your day, or in the evening. Doesn't matter where, just say them.
And then come back and tell us how it went. Leave a comment below with your favorite expression from today. We read every single comment and we love hearing from you.
If this video helped you, if you feel even a little bit more confident about speaking English in your daily life, please give us a thumbs up. It helps other English learners find us.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. We upload every day with new conversations, new vocabulary, and new ways to make your English feel more natural and more you.
You are doing so well. Every video you watch, every sentence you practice, it all adds up. Don't give up.
We believe in you, really.
See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.